Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about 5 things that I really loved from our recent one-act play in our creative writing subject. So this one-act play is supposed to be a project that we have in creative writing that we are to apply what we've learned from our topics in drama, and I guess we kind of pull it off. It's hard for us in this one-act play to prepare for it because of the props and everything, but we had 2 days to prepare since we've had a lot of things going on in a lot of different subjects, and I was really grateful for my classmates because of this. Shout out to y'all. And so yeah, without further ado, without further ado, let us get on with this video.
General, hindi ko ibig manira ng imahe ng sinuman. Ngunit, di ako konsensyang gagawala. Di sa aking pagtulog ng masaksiyan ko ang karasang yung ginawa sa ating mga hepe.
Palatawan mo na kung sino ang nais mong palatawan. Subalit, tanging mga matahong lamang ang nakasaksi sa mga pangyayaring maaaring pantasya lamang.
Ngunit, nagsasabi ako ng katotohanan ng Ginoo. Handa kong harapin ang anumang paglilitis. Mapatunayan lamang ang aking sinasabi. General, tapos na po may pinapagawa.
Ang mamaw! Paano mo nagawa magpauli sa isang Indio? Simple na nga lang pinapagawa at bakit hindi nyo ba rin magawa ng pulido? Dakpin si Fernando!
Maria, ang nag-iisang anak ni Fernando at Gloria. Sariwa't malinaw pa rin sa aking sistema ang pangyayaring 5 taon ng nakaraan. Tagos na tagos pa rin sa aking kaibukuran ang pangyayaring hindi na papatunayan ng kanilang duguang puso. Maligayang pagdating aking mahal na asawa. Halika tumupo at magkape muna.
Maraming salamat, aking pinakamamahal na asawa.
Kay sarap naman pagdasta ng pagmamahalan ni Tay. Tila ba ang tunay na pagmamahalan ay siyang nag-iibig sa inyong pagmamahalan?
Nais ko pang malaman kung paano nagsimula ang pagmamahalan namin ng iyong inay. Simula pa kasi noon, taliwas sa pagmamahalan namin ang aming mga magulang. Kaya, isang milagro na ang dati kong kapiling ay kapiling. Dati kong panalangin ay kapiling ko na. At nadagdagan pa, at ikaw yun, Maria. Oh, senyor! Ako nga! Ano ang inyong nais? Ikaw ay aming inaresto.
Fernando! Fernando! Ano ginagawa niya sa'yo? Fernando! Fernando!
Ano man ang iyong sasabihin, ay maaaring gamitin bago laban sa iyo sa anumang
Fernando!
sa
Fernando!
ang utos ay utos. Gloria, ako na yung nagpupunta ni Hana. Ngunit, hindi ako ibabalik.
Ang ginawa niyang kalakas sa nanay. Nakakatakot siya pa ang pangatlong nakulit sa bayan na hagulan ng kamatayan. Abay, hindi ko mawaran kasi siya kumuha ng lakas ng loob. Ang pagkain ng gobyerno.
Hindi yata tamang umatlang ng isang nilang na hindi pa napapatunayan ng kasala.
Kasukla-sukla ang kanyang pagkatao. Abay, tama lamang yun sa kanya. Ang pang-aalipos ko sa gobyerno ay hindi karapat-dapat na patawarin. Si Fernando ay walang kasalanan. At bakit pa rin sa pinag-iinitan? Hindi niya man lamang ba naisip ang kanyang pamilya bago gumawa ng kadaliwan?
Bakit mo kaming gawing bulat at mangmang?
Siya lang niya naman kumitin sa sarili niyang buhay. Ha? Inyo! Diyos mio! Naway, patawarin sana.
Mamamayan ng Pilipinas, sa mga oras na ito ay masasaksihan niyo ang pagdidig sa buhay ni Fernando A. Ibarra. Kanyang pinagtaksilan ng taong bayan sa pagbintang sa isang hebe. Pagmasdan ninyo ang kapayaran ng kanyang pagtataksil, naway maging aral ito sa inyo.
Wala siyang ginawa para sa kasalanan. Itigil niyo yan.
Welcome!
Walang iyak ka!
Tamang ninyo!
Lagi tayo magdadalahan. Lumahal kita. Malamang tumayo. Ang pagkamatanaw at pagkamatanaw ang tunay na kalagayan ko.
At sila ay nasa bukto, hindi
paghihiganti. Kung may boses lamang, kayo'y sana'y buhay pa rin.
Habang may tatsulong,
Lahat sila ay nasa tuktok, hindi matatapos itong gulo. Habang may tatsulong, lahat sila ay nasa tuktok, hindi matatapos itong gulo.
Was our class's wonderful one-act play. I'm really proud of them for what we've done over the couple of days that we've had it prepared. Drop by the first point that I really loved about our one-act play. Loved our first part, the one where Algin was shot by Cedric, and although Sir told us that it could have been properly, you know, given a backstory. It was supposed to have a backstory, but of course, given the time, we didn't have time to polish it much more. And so, although we couldn't polish it more, it was really great, and I really loved how they acted it out. The part that I really loved the most is how Godwin and Tala Crystal, you know, danced, and it was kind of sweet. It was like, you know, a real couple, and it really embodied how the characters showed their love for each other. It was a sweet touch to the one-act play, although it was kind of a tragedy. Its genres, like, it was a tragedy play, but that scene really took it off a notch to give like a sweet romantic vibe to the, you know, overall play. The scene that I really loved was the Nag-aalsa and the Ilustrado part, where Kylie and Jamaica walked to the group, and then it started the heated argument between them, and it was like really pretty. I could have done a lot more with the sound effects there, but it was still awesome. It was realistic and it was quite funny. So yeah. One thing that I really liked in our one-act play is how Gian carried out his you know, role as General in the scene where it was the scene after Nag-aalsa in Ilustrado. I really loved how the way he talks in that scene was like, it gave me goosebumps, to be exact. The impact of his voice towards his character was really, for me, was really you know, necessary, so that we could feel the way he was feeling at that point, the way the story is unfolding, and it really gave much more of a blow, or much more color to the scene. Last but definitely not the least, the fifth part of the play that I really loved was of Yvonne singing Upuan X Tadsolo. So it expressed how she really missed her parents and how they were as a family, and how she really wanted revenge for what the government did to her parents, and how they were brutally killed at that point. And to me, it was a really great, you know, part of that play, because the impact of that song to her was she was really crying, and it was a great way to make us really feel the emotion of that exact scene and sympathize with her, you know, to give the meaning of the song, to give the meaning of the ending of the story, of her story, and it was really, really beautiful. That's it for our short short vlog of our one-act play, and I hope you guys really, really loved seeing how it unfolded. It was just, you know, a really wonderful output that we've put together as a class, and if you really enjoyed that, I hope you follow up for the next coming updates. And that is all. I'll see you all next time. Peace.